Hello everyone, welcome to HTML, CSS and JavaScript class. So in today's session, we are going to learn about formatting tags in HTML. We have learned about the basic tags in the last session. Today let's learn about the tags which are used to make your sentences, your words very special. These tags are known as formatting tags. So in HTML, we have a lot of formatting tags. Let's proceed and see. So the first one is be and strong. So why we have written this be and strong together? Because be and strong tag both make your text bold and they give extra importance to the text. The text inside the strong tag is considered as very important. If you write something in the strong and the bold text, it is in the bold alphabets to make it extra important. Now you can see how when we write something just this is normal text, how the normal word is highlighted and how the bold and strong sentences are visible. When you run this kind of code, this is the output which you are going to get. We are going to practice this later on, but let's look at it how this form, what is the use of each tag and how these tags work. Now we have HTML I and EM formatting element. Now why we have again kept I and EM together? They both are used to make your text italic. They both have the same functionality. You can see if you are using I tag and EM tag, the output is same. So you write your paragraph and inside your paragraph you put I and EM to emphasize it. So both do the same kind of work. The next formatting element is U element. Now, what do we mean by U? If you want to underline something, you are going to use U tag in your HTML code. So there is a sentence which you want to underline in your program. In that case, you have to use U tag. Once you open your U tag, you have to close it. All the tags once you open, once their work is complete, close them. Once your text is underlined, the new tag which we have is mark tag. Now, if you want to highlight something in your text, highlight something in your program, you're going to use mark. If you use mark to highlight something, it will get highlighted in the yellow color. Now, how we use this mark tag is you write your sentence complete in paragraph tag. And whichever word you want to highlight, mark tag, mark element, the mark tag should be around it. So we have written P tag, learning, we have written the mark tag, then we have written HTML word. Now after HTML word, we don't want anything to get highlighted. So we have closed the mark tag and then we continued the sentence and we closed the P tag. Let's move forward. Then we have HTML small formatting element. If you want certain text to be smaller in size, you are going to use small tag. If you look at the output, there is a difference between the normal text and the smaller text output. Now let's talk about the HTML delete formatting element. Now, if you want to remove something from your program, you want to delete certain element, then you are going to use delete tag, DEL. So when you use delete tag, the alphabet which you're deleting that has a line over it. That is used to delete it. So I have written my favorite color is. So there is a red color written which is deleted using delete tag. I have kept delete tag around the red color and then I have written blue in the normal sentence paragraph. So to discard something, we will use delete tag. Now the next tag which we see on the screen is insert. Now if you want something to get inserted in the document, you want to donate that some new items have been added, that is the case where you will use INS tag. It is used to insert something new. So if you're inserting something, it has a underline over it. You can see my favorite color is red. Red has a cut over it. That is because we have used delete. And then we have added blue color. It is to insert. Then we have sub tag. That is for subscript. So if you want certain of your characters to appear lower than the regular line, then you are going to use subscript. You can see how the H2O, CH4 are written using sub. So if you want something like this to be used in your website, you use subtag. Now we will talk about superscript. Superscript is used when you want half of your character to be at a higher height than the regular line. You can use this for maths formulas. You can use for representing date also so that it comes on the top. We will execute this and see how it works. Then we have big tag. If you want something to be in the bigger size, then we are going to use big tag. So if you use big font, it is going to be a bit bigger than the original text. The size is going to be different. You can see in the output section. Thank you. Let's move to the coding part and let's start coding. So the first tag which we always write is doctype HTML. So this is to tell the version of the computer. We do the code, we revise it every time. We create HTML container. Then we start with our heading. In head tag, we are going to put the title of the web page. So today the title is going to be formatting tags in HTML. Formatting tags in HTML is going to be your title. Then you start with the body tag. You close the body tag. Now in body, let's start executing all the formatting tags which we have seen till now. Let's start with the first tag which we see was bold. I'm just going to write simple text, bold text. I'll close my B tag and I'm going to write paragraph here. So I am making text bold inside a paragraph. Then I'll write P. I'll use strong again for you. As everyone knows, we have learned now that strong and bold are one and the same, but still we will do to see how it works. Now, every time you write a new sentence, please end it with BR so that everything is coming on the new line. Now, let's talk about italic text, which comes inside I tag. So, we have written italic inside I. Now, add paragraph around it because you are going to write inside a paragraph. Same you are going to do for the emphasized. We will write emphasized text. You are going to close your EM tag and then you will close your P tag. We have completed bold, strong, italic and emphasized till now. I'll show you the small and big first. So we'll write P. Then what you will do, you can write this is and then you will write small. So this is smaller. I'll close my small. I'll continue my sentence that is text. And I'll close my paragraph. So I'll write BR on all the lines because I want everything to come on the new line for me. Now we will try the big text. You will start the paragraph. You will write this is. You will use big tag. You will write bigger. Close your big tag and write text. Close your paragraph. Add BR. So this is used to make your text bigger. We will learn about inserted and deleted now. So I'll write my favorite color is blue. So I want to delete just blue words. So before blue I'll write delete. Then again I'm going to close my delete tag and I'm going to write black here. And then I'm going to close my paragraph. Now let's write the insert tag. So we will write my favorite color is. Now let me teach you how to insert something new with underline. So this is going to give underline. So I'll write INS black. And then you close your paragraph tag. You add your BR tag for the break. Now we have seen how to insert something new. Let's underline the text. This is. Now you just want to underline one word, so I'll keep U tag around that word only. I'll close it once my word is completed. I'll continue with my sentence. So only that one word will get underlined. Now let's see how the mark tag works. We want to mark just one word. So I'm going to mark that HTML. I'll close my mark and then we will write is very important to learn. I'm going to close my P tag. Our mark tag is already closed. So we have seen a lot of formatting tags till now. We are just left with two of them, which is subscript and superscript. So first I'm going to write this is I'm going to keep sub tag subscripted, close your sub and then continue with the sentence. Now write superscript tag. So we will write this is SUP superscripted text. Close your paragraph. Now let's save it. I'm going to save it as free.html. And let's execute and see. We can see how bold is in the bold, and you can see there is a line space, italic, emphasize, smaller, bigger. This is the delete. This is the insert. This is underline. This is the mark. If you write subscripted, it is coming a bit down. If you write superscripted, it's going up. So you use these tags where the need is there in your program. So I hope formatting tags is clear for everyone. Thank you.